Hey guys, it's David with Mighty Things. Welcome back to this week's video. And today I'm going to show you how to build this really cool old-fashioned toolbox using nothing but hand tools. This is a great project to develop awareness for materials and craft with your kids, and also to give them a place to put tools for future projects. Let's go ahead and jump into it. At Mighty Things, we help families trade screen time for outdoor adventures and real skills. If you want to raise resilient, capable kids, subscribe and join us as we try a new challenge every week. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and start cutting our lumber. So this is a 1x8 piece of lumber, and we're gonna need two 12-inch lengths, two 24-inch lengths, and one 22.5-inch length. And Emily is gonna be the one that helps me build this project today. All right, so go ahead and mark it at 12 inches and also at 24 inches. Just a quick tip, we've really found this miter saw is great for these types of cuts because it just has smaller teeth to it and it makes a nicer, smoother cut, and it's a little bit easier to pull back and forth. Nice. So go ahead and measure two 24-inch pieces. There we go. We're gonna measure 22.5 for the last piece. We need to cut this 1-inch wooden dowel down to 24 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and measure the angled ends to the toolbox. So go ahead and measure 4.5 inches on each side, and then measure 2.5 inches from each end up here. All right, now you're gonna connect the dots using the square. And now go ahead and measure in the middle 1 inch down, and that's where we're gonna punch the big hole for the handle. There you go. All right, very good. All right, so now that we're done cutting, we're gonna go ahead and drill the holes in either end of the handle, and we're gonna use this cool old-fashioned brace and bit, and it's got a 1-inch bit in it. So let's go ahead, Emily, and start doing that drilling. Yeah, so what you're supposed to do is go through till you start seeing it on the other side, and then what you do is flip it and come at it the other way. That just makes for a cleaner hole. Okay. Nice. There we go. Nice. All right, now that all the pieces are cut and drilled, it's time to sand, and then we'll start nailing everything together. All right, so we're done sanding everything. Let's go ahead and nail everything together. And today we're using these 6D 2-inch finish nails. Okay, it's all hammered together. The last step is going to be to add the wooden handle in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to actually put a little bit of glue right here on this end here, and then some glue on the inside of it. Pretty good, and then... All right, look at that. Good job, Emily. This looks really good. It's time to go ahead and put our tools in here. Let's go ahead. So what do we got? We've got a keyhole saw, a miter saw, just a regular old hand saw here, brace and bit, hammer, measuring tape, square, and go ahead and put our nails in there as well. There we go, all ready. All right guys, there you go. A really easy DIY project, and it's a fun way to build carpentry skills with your kids, especially if you stock this toolbox with tools that they can use on their own project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.